Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming system details and required runtimes so you don't chase misleading errors. First, check OS bitness and free disk space, then install Visual C++ redistributables or the equivalent libraries on Linux. Next, download the latest Steamcmd executable into an empty folder and give it full write permissions. Once done, run Steamcmd once to let it create folders and logs, and make sure firewall or antivirus aren't blocking its initial network handshake. You should enable verbose logging to capture the exact failure. Logs reveal missing DLLs or library dependency errors. On Linux, install required 32-bit libs, glib-compat packages, or Steam runtime dependencies. On Windows, check path and missing DLL messages. Then run Steamcmd, log in anonymously, set the install directory, and call app update to reproduce the error cleanly. If network errors appear, make sure DNS, proxy, and MTU settings permit the Steam content servers to connect. You wrap up by validating the installation. Check file integrity, enforce correct ownership and permissions, and restart any related services. If partial downloads or corrupt files are suspected, clear Steam's CMD cache and remove temp folders before retrying the update. This forces a fresh download. If problems persist, capture the complete verbose log and search for the exact error phrase. Then apply targeted fixes like replacing missing runtime files, adjusting firewall rules, or switching mirrors. One focused change often resolves the remainder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.